1947. Shortly after the close of World War II, 23 nations signed a general agreement on tariffs and trade, the GATT. Its purpose was to liberalize and expand world trade. Stability, a sense of global community, they were the key. For 5 decades, the GATT would grow, adding more members and becoming the World Trade Organization.
We are writing the Constitution for a single global economy.
With over 150 member nations, the WTO controls 90% of world trade. Unlike the GATT, the WTO can impose punishing fines on member countries that don't abide by its laws. Along with this expansion of free trade, the WTO avows to help developing countries benefit fully from the global trading system.
It has very little to do with trade, and it's certainly not free.
It's a system of global governance none of us voted for and none of us control.
It simply means breaking down the borders of countries.
So that large corporations will be free to operate anywhere without interference by governments or the people of these nations.
And what they are saying is that money values should rule over life values, that human rights and the environment should be subordinated to the needs of commerce.
The clean air rules were gutted.
Cases of asthma increased.
Genetically modified foods forced onto European consumers.
Small-scale banana growers crushed by large corporations.
Despite the problems and criticism, the WTO continues to grow, making it more powerful than ever. On the upcoming meeting in Seattle, dubbed the Millennium Round, new issues will be added to the WTO's existing rules.
Imposing even tighter corporate control over more areas of our lives.
To many, this meeting has become a battle for the future.
One big road with a lot of signs, signs and more signs. You gotta make up your mind, your mind, your mind. Life is one big road with a lot of signs, signs and more signs. You gotta make up your mind. Life is one big road, road. With a lot of signs, signs and more signs. You gotta make up your mind to face reality all the time. No, many a sorrow, many a joy. Never you try to take life for a toy. Some doing good and some doing bad. But these type of bad is driving me mad. But when the sun shines today, I go on my knees and I pray. I said, Lord, let me have joy. I said, Lord, let me have joy. Never let me have no sorrows. I said, Lord, let me have joy. Never let me have no sorrows. Oh, no, 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 no. Some doing good and some doing bad, but these type of bad is driving